Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. Before we begin, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. What we're going to do today, I have this battery-powered motion detector security light that I'm going to put up on the old pecan tree out there to light up kind of that area where I have that trail camera before, just to kind of help deter predators that's been coming up on the porch. You guys know, I actually had a buddy at work. He has a camera on his porch, and there was a coyote that came up to try to get his cat that was on the porch, you know, underneath the little light there. So this is, hopefully we have the same thing on our porch. We got a heat light back there for our outside cats. They curl up on this little pad and sleep. So hopefully this will help maybe deter some of the coyotes and other predators from coming up closer to the house. When this light goes off, hopefully it'll scare them away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this backing off right here. And I'll put a link in the description. You can get this on Amazon. It's like 30 bucks, 39 bucks. And it's got different modes you can see here. Timer modes and all that that you can adjust. You can set it on 30 second, 60 second, or a minute, or 120 second. Timer. So it'll, I mean, as long as you want it to stay on. So, and you can adjust these this way, this way, this way. So there's just all kinds of different areas and zones that you can light up with this one light. So I'm going to take the backing off here and see how many of these batteries I need. I think 4 will do it, but we're going to see here. Hopefully you guys are having a great December. So what do you guys have planned over the Christmas break coming up? Go ahead and drop in the comments. Let us know whether you're going to be traveling or family's going to be coming to you. What do you guys got going on? I'd love to hear from some of you guys and catch up. It's been a while. I may need more than 4. Hunter and I just got back. We went and ate some breakfast at a little cafe. Nope, 4 it is. And it is good. It is hard to beat just some of them old school diner cafe breakfasts. So let's see if it shows here which way it needs to go. Yeah, okay, this goes like that. So like that. Okay. So that goes there. That goes there. Now before I go and put all these screws back in there, I just thought about it. Once I get this last one in here, I'm going to test it. Let's just see. Oh, there you have it. There we go. Put it on test. And it works. So what I like about this is you can literally mount it anywhere you want. Obviously it needs to have a flat surface. So like if you're doing it outside like I am, it would need to be a pretty large tree. A small tree wouldn't work. So what you do, you mount this bracket right here on the tree and it'll face this way. And then this just clips in there like that, and that's how it holds it together. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go outside, we're gonna find that big pecan tree back there. It's really wide and big, and I think this will mount on there pretty flush, and we'll be able to mount this up. I'm not gonna do it real high because obviously it's battery powered, so I'm gonna need to take it down from time to time to change the batteries. So I'll just reach up as high as I can and screw this to the tree and then snap this on there. Let's get outside. Alrighty, what we found, I think where we want it, there's a pretty good flat spot right here on this tree, and the house is about 40 yards over there. So it'll light up this whole open area right here. You can see around me where they come from the woods back here. So we're gonna get this mounted up. Alrighty guys, well we got it up there on the tree. Well the cats will get used to it. Got it up there in the tree. Hunter, grab that drill. It's pretty much all I wanted to do with that today. But Hunter's dirt bike's got a little flat, so I got some slime. We're gonna try to get this tire aired up, keep air. Maybe take it for a little spin. Walk in front of it again, Hunt. Cool. Alrighty, we got this thing here. We're going to try to air it up. We sure don't leave much room on these little bikes to do any work. Remember, just putt around.
Is it on?
Just gotta start it. No, the key was already on. There we go. Hit the start button. There you go. Now, I don't have much confidence in that because the sidewall, that was pretty dry rotted. You just got it in July and it's already like that. It's been on the back porch out of the weather. So it's not very good tire material there. What's that, buddy?
Plan A, don't fall.
Plan A, don't fall. Plan A, don't fall. So we are down here at what they call the pumpback, what we call it. If you look at it on the map, it's Chimney Rock Lake, but I don't know why it's so low. We should be in the water right now. Typically, when the water's normal, you can see this grass line right here. How high the water normally is. You see it on the bank over there. Like this thing is. Oh gosh, I don't even know how low it is, but it's.
That probably touched.
It's ridiculous. Our head should be under the water right now. And we got like another 50 yards before we hit the water down there. Look at these fish habitats that people's tied off to this dock. This dock should be floating in 15 foot of water right here. So this is pretty wild. There's habitat all around this dock that I never knew about.
Can I climb up on it?
Look at all this structure and habitat here.
Can I climb?
I don't care. I'm gonna walk down to the water here. Look, there's tons of structure down there where people's dropped it for fish habitat. Oh my gosh, I never knew how like quick this dropped off around this point. Look at this. This is wild.
Why did it go so low?
I don't know. I have no clue why this thing is so low. But look at me looking back up at the car.
Is it like the weather that made it?
I don't think so. I think they must be doing some work on maybe one of the dams or something to cause this. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Look at this giant rock, dude.
Let's climb it.
Climb up, I'll take your picture.
Sure, yes, sir.
That was an old canopy, like an old umbrella. Hands up.
This is steep.
So this is wild, guys. I know in Arizona they had some stuff going on that caused the water to go way down on one of those lakes.
That's Arizona.
Look at this drop off, man. This is a steep drop off. We are so far. This is pretty cool. I wonder if I can find any of the baits I've lost.
Have you lost a lot?
I bet the fish stack up on top of this big old rock right here. I want to come. Don't fall in the.
That rock was sticking out of the water.
No, that rock was way under the water normally. Yeah.
So you're saying if you swam on the water, you couldn't see it, you hit it?
Yeah.
Have you got hung up on that rock?
I don't know.
Next rock. I'm a rock climber.
This is so cool looking.
I'm a rock
Some
climber.
big chunk rock right there. Inside. That's a big one. So I know this wind is probably pretty loud. I apologize for that. It's super windy down here. I wanted to show you this over here though. This is crazy. So if you guys are from around here and you guys know what's going on here at Chimney Rock Lake, drop in the comments, let us know. I don't know what's going on, but it's pretty cool. Look at all them birds flying. I don't know if you can see them. Probably a bunch of dead fish up on the bank from water being dropped, but they're scavenging up
What's
there.
that in the middle?
I don't know. But look at that, look at this fish. This is pretty cool. So there's an underwater island right there that would be really good to fish that you would never know was there if the water was normal. So how about that?
Wait, that was covered?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yep.
I bet you can't go down here.
I bet I'll throw my arm out trying. Alright guys, we're gonna hop off of here. I just wanted to bring you guys along, kind of show you what's happening in Chimney Rock Lake. Not sure what's causing it, but